Hiker Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Analogy questions might seem like mind-bending puzzles, but fear not. With a few key strategies, you can crack the code and answer them confidently. Today, we'll delve into the secrets of these questions and equip you with the tools to dominate them. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Step 1. Decipher the relationship. The core of an analogy question lies in understanding the connection between the first two words. Ask yourself, what do they have in common? Example: hammer is to nail as key is to lock. Both open something. What is the action or function involved? Example: whisper is to shout as jog is to sprint. Different intensities of the same action. Is it a part-whole relationship? Example: finger is to hand as leaf is to tree. Part of a larger whole. Step 2. Apply the logic to answer choices. With the relationship clear, scan the answer choices. Each option presents a new pair of words. Ask yourself if the connection between them mirrors the one you identified in the first pair. Common scenario and tip. Scenario: knife is to cut, as paintbrush is to. Hammer, canvas, write, sculpt. Tip: identify the action, a tool used to perform an action. Eliminate options that aren't tools like hammer, or don't involve creation like sculpt. The answer is canvas, as it's the surface the paintbrush is used on, similar to how a knife is used to cut something. Step 3. Watch out for tricky traps. Similar sounding words. Don't be fooled by words that sound alike but have different meanings. Example: stationary versus stationary. Double meanings. Be mindful of words with multiple definitions. Choose the meaning that aligns with the analogy's context. Unfamiliar words. Don't panic. Use the context clues and surrounding words to grasp the meaning. Step 4. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with different analogy types and identifying relationships. Online resources and practice tests are your friends. To test whether you understand the topic, try some of these practice exercises. Number 1. Hammer is to nail as needle is to. Letter A. Thread. Letter B. Thimble. Letter C. Scissors. Letter D. Fabric. The answer is letter A. Thread. Both hammer and needle pierce and join things, while thread and nail are the objects being joined. Number 2. Clock is to time as map is to. Letter A. Distance. Letter B. Direction. Letter C. Travel. Letter D. Destination. The answer is letter B. Direction. Both clock and map provide information for navigating, time for the clock and direction for the map. Remember, analogy questions are all about recognizing patterns and applying logic. Stay calm, follow these steps, and practice regularly, and you'll be an analogy answering champion in no time. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.